Hey there! Today we are going to talk about Royal Caribbean's Royal Up program. What it is, who can take advantage of it, the steps to do it, what it costs, and finally, our thoughts about the value and was it worth it to upgrade to an extra large balcony on Odyssey of the Seas transatlantic cruise. Share in the comments if you've done a royal upgrade before. We need to learn from each other.
All right, so I want to go ahead and show you about the Royal Up program. So this is Royal Caribbean's Royal Up program. Your upgrade is a bid away. That is what they say, and it's actually very easy. So to find out about this, what you're going to do is it allows you to upgrade your stateroom from what you have to multiple options or a single option of what you might want to have better. Now, when you do upgrade your stateroom, you do get the perks that go with that too. So I'll show you that in a second. So right now you can find out if you're eligible by putting in your last name and your reservation ID and clicking submit. They'll also send you an email, or you can go to your accountancy, and I'll show you that here in a second. But I wanted to show you how it worked. So what you do is you're going to bid for the room that you want. Now they show you some remarkable suites here. You can bid a little bit like I do, being frugal. We are frugal investors. So we will go ahead and we'll splurge a little, but we may not be splurging a ton. So it just all depends on what you're wanting though. And you can go to their frequently asked questions here. Like it says, I was telling you, what if it doesn't get accepted? When do you find out? And actually, you may not even find out until right before your cruise or the day of your cruise. And they will notify you, and you could get up to the desk and be like, oh my gosh, we're upgraded. So that's awesome. Right here, you're going to see my account on Royal Caribbean. I have 5 upcoming cruises, which is pretty awesome. I am going to be going the next couple months. I'm very excited. I'm actually going to be going solo cruising for the first time. And that's exciting in itself, and I'll be sharing videos about that. But also, I'm going to be going with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, and Carnival, going on all those different cruise lines, and I'm going to be sailing pretty much almost back for 2 months, and so I'll be sharing all of that with you. But here, you can see this is my Allure of the Seas that I have coming up. And so on here, you can see upgrade your stateroom right now, bid now. And then the other way that you can do it is through your email. Now, they sent me an email about Royal Up here. And so you can see this one's for the Grandeur of the Seas, and then to request upgrades. So they're allowing me to upgrade to a junior suite, either an ocean view suite or an ocean view balcony. If I were to upgrade to a junior suite, I would actually get the amenities that go with it. It comes with a nice coffee maker, it has extra space, extra seating, an extra large balcony. It even has a tub. Now, they're not going to completely, we'll click see details here. So they're not going to completely tell you what each of the rooms has, so it's better for you to Google it. Or Royal Caribbean's website doesn't really tell you much about what they have. So go on Google, go on YouTube. We are actually doing videos on specific rooms and types. But let's get back into this. This is how you would upgrade. You would click on that for more details. Then you can see your current stateroom. I have an ocean view. It's actually a free casino cruise that I have here. I've paid the taxes and port fees. So as you can see here, that I have already placed an offer on this ocean view balcony. Okay, so I could go ahead and apply for the junior suite. And you can, $280 there, all the way up to $600. Now, keep in mind, this is per guest. So that is times 2. So if I put in an offer here, which I'm going to put it cheap, that's the cheapest I can put in is $120. So that is times 2. So that's going to be $240. Now it's saying that that's weak. Now, if I put up to $600, oh, that's a strong offer. But you know what? I'm cheap. I'm frugal. And so I am going to sit down here. I'm going to splurge maybe a little bit on myself because I didn't pay for the cruise at all. So if I spend $240, that could be it. Now I already put in this $120. It was $60 per person for the ocean view balcony. I'd be going up from a regular ocean view to a balcony. And I do like to have a balcony because I like to work on the balcony. We'll see what that has. So right now I have chosen $120 for that junior suite. Nothing for that ocean view suite, and nothing for the ocean view or the spacious, or I already got this one. So then we're going to click continue. All right. And now you can see, very easy peasy. It goes ahead and it says it's a total of that $240. Like I said, it's times 2. So you would enter your information here and then you would push save and continue. Once we're done, I am going to do that and maybe I will get upgraded. You'll have to see later on. Please like and subscribe so you can see if I did get upgraded. And also please share your comments. Tell me how it's been, on your upgrades and things. And like I said, recently we just did a transatlantic for Royal Caribbean and we upgraded to an extra large balcony.
That was Odyssey of the Seas. It cost us $500 per person or $1,000 for a 14-day cruise. Here is the full tour of that room so you can check it out. I will also have the link in the description. The room was the same as a regular balcony and even the same as the interior room Rick's parents had. The balcony was only slightly larger than a regular balcony and we did not think it was worth it. Let me know what you think.
Smash that like button if you've enjoyed what I've said and make sure that I will see you on the cruise ship. Travel Tuna!